Let me show you how we can adjust spacing in Word. So here's my text with the default spacing. If I select everything by pressing Command A or manually select with mouse, there I can very quickly modify the spacing. Be sure we are in the Home tab at the top. We are still inside Home tab, and in this area next to your alignment there is a spacing icon with some default presets like exactly 1, 1.5, 2, and the popular 1.15. That's the one very commonly used. But sometimes you may have a bit weird spacing because there may be some additional spaces in front or behind the line. So let's open Light Spacing Options to have a full picture. So here it is. This pop-up will tell us everything. So even we got set up this to 1.15, we got additional spacing 8 points after the paragraph. So we can modify this from here. We can take it to 0 or we can make it even larger. We can do a spacing before the paragraph as well. Alright, so that's all you need. So 95% of users just need this one tab here. You can also make some changes here. Let's say you want to have 1.5 from now on and 0 before and after the paragraph, and you can set this as default for your document. So from now on you don't need to worry too much. If you paste the text, the new text, or you simply start typing, you will have that as your default for now in this document. Alright, so just keep in mind all of your spacing needs, that's in the Home tab in this area here. Sometimes even though you set up certain spacing, there may be some kind of extra space added before or after paragraph, especially when you copy and paste text from different sources. So you can check this to fix those issues. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.